Look at this, guys. Look at it. It's a power out. It's only a few lights on. Look at it. But look at this here, guys. Look at that. From here to there, there's just no lights. Everybody's lights off, apart from me. Obviously the ones that's got battery backup. Can you hear all the alarms going off? I wonder what's caused that. I bet it's a freezing weather. Wow, I was so quick to grab my phone, wasn't I? Newcastle upon Tyne, it's a blackout. Still a blackout. Look at no lights on. Look at these are always, you always see these on. Look at no. Oh yeah. Some people probably say in the comments, well, I can see lights. Them lights you can see, right, are lights that, like, if there's a power out, some lights do stay on because they have rechargeable batteries. So basically, when the lights are on, they recharge. But basically, how you can tell, man, look at it. It's not no. This is a city. We live in a city, man. The reason I'm standing here, folks, I wonder if all the lights will come on. You know what people say. Right, light. There's nothing quite faster than light. Well, they say nothing's faster than light, but light can't even escape a dark hole, a black hole. I'm just standing there, guys. I just want to see all the lights come on at once. It'd be mad, that, wouldn't it? But yeah, you can hear all the sirens going off. But guys, you know, there's one thing I don't mind, right, is like, I don't understand why everything's off. Because, like, if you see Newcastle was a jigsaw piece, right? Each jigsaw piece has its own energy box. So instead of having one energy box that covers the full of Newcastle, they have it in grids. So that means if you see my park goes off, everyone else will still be going. Do you understand what I mean? So I don't understand why the full lot's gone off. Do not understand. They'll be getting loads of even people down there, got people doing that with the torches, look at. Somebody needs to phone the lifeguard. The lifeguard. There's more people out there with the torches. You can just see the little torches. Oh, there. Yeah, that's right, Dorothy. Yeah, you got to phone the lifeguard. Yeah. Yeah, the lifeguard. I don't know the number. Yeah, I was in the middle of playing Fortnite. Do you know what I mean? This is crazy, yeah? Crazy, guys. Right, guys, I haven't got a clue. Normally these things take hours to fix, so you can see what it's like now, right? But I'll get back to you, right, when it's back on to show you the difference, right?